Alright, back with round whatever here with Dr. Banner. Just a regular Marvel Gallery statue. You can tell he is genuinely pretty dusty and pretty dirty, like the Bane statue is or was. Depending on whenever you see this video, I don't know if anybody will even watch these damn things. Whatever. So, big brush for the big stuff, small brush for the detailed areas, Q-tip plus distilled water out of fancy water bottle for the little nooks and crannies and junk and stuff. Yeah, this one is genuinely pretty dusty or pretty dirty. It needs to be cleaned up pretty well. So that's about it. Close inspection for everybody, and Mr. Hulk, Captain Banner, whatever, fucking Bruce. Alright, so let's start with the big brush. I don't know if y'all can really see that in the video, but there's a shite ton of crap coming off of this damn statue. Just want to get it cleaned up from our reconstruction from losing half of the inside of our house in the Great Ice Apocalypse, February 2021. We did, or we didn't do, we had roughly $48,000 worth of damage to the house. How do you like that? 14 pipe breaks. Alright, big brush is done. Now we switch to the little brush to try to get into some of these smaller spaces, like inside of his, can y'all see that? Inside of his hand right here, inside of his other hand, underneath his arms, crotchies, boobies, underneath his chin, like along his feet, and inside that like little area right here. And then of course follow that up with some water out of the fancy spray bottle onto this Q-tip while not dripping it onto the outlet that's below me so I don't set my damn house on fire. We've already done the disaster thing once. I would like to not do it twice. So we get some of these like nooks and crannies where stuff can live, cleaned out underneath his neck. Same places with the small brush. It's just a little bit more detailed. You can see that like underneath his foot arch, it is a space where lots of dust would probably hang out. Get that cleaned. His feet, and inside that, I don't know if y'all can see, but I don't know if I'm holding this right, but inside this area, let's see, how dirty is this? Oh, excuse me, it's still picking up some stuff. But, let's see, right along these lines, on his torn jeans. And then inside any of those kind of spaces in his stand. And then this one is dirty and finished off, so follow this up. This one actually left behind some water on some bigger spaces, so we'll take the microfiber towel and get some of the bulk of the water off of here. And then follow that up with the small, soft detail brush. It'll help to dry off the rest of what's left behind. And then we'll have a nice, clean Hulk statue ready to go back to his respective place on the display. He does not live in here, surprisingly enough. He lives in the spare bedroom on a stand that's still decorated with comic books, because I don't know how else to be. And that's pretty much it. One Bruce Banner. Close-up inspection shows we did a pretty good job. Nice and clean. Super awkward to get that close to a statue. Just awkward. Alright. See y'all on the next one.